Lesson number 2, sequence and series. 5 mark questions. 5 plus 55 plus 555 plus dot dot, find the value of nth term. Solution: 5 plus 55 plus 555 plus dot dot nth term. First 5 can take outside. 5 outside means 5, 1 plus 11 plus 111. 5 inside the multiply. 5 ones are 5. 5 11s are 55. 5 111s are 555 plus dot dot nth term. Multiply and divide by 9 by 9. 5 by 9 into 9 in 5 by 9 into 9, 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus dot 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 nth term. Now 5 by 9, now in this 9 multiply the inside. 5, 9 ones are 9, 9 11s are 99, 9 111s are 999 plus dot dot nth term. 5 by 9, 9 means 10 minus 1. 99 means 100 minus 1. 999 means 1000 minus 1 plus dot dot nth term. 5 by 9, first 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus dot dot nth term. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, that is minus nth term. Now Sn equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1 is the formulas. R greater than 1. 5 by 9, a is the first term. A means 10, r to the power of n means 10 to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1, 10 minus 1 by minus n, close the bracket. 5 by 9, 10, 10 power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1 means 9 minus 9. 9 inside the multiply, 5 inside the multiply. 5 tens are 50, 9 nines are 81. 10 to the power of n minus 1, 5n. 5 into n, 5n. 5n by 9 is the answer. Now this one is the 5 mark questions, very important in public questions.